If you've accidentally gotten water in your phone's speaker, it's important to act quickly to prevent damage, as even water-resistant phones can suffer from audio muffling and warranty issues. To remove the water, you can play a specific sound using online tools or apps like Sonic for iPhone users to help force the water out. Make sure to turn the volume all the way up and position your phone flat or slightly inclined with the speaker facing down. You can also use untrusted shortcuts for iPhones to activate a water eject feature. If water persists, power off the device and consider using a low-powered vacuum around the speaker. After that, let your phone air dry for 24 to 48 hours in a safe position or place it in a sealed bag with a silica gel to absorb moisture, avoiding white rice as it's less effective.